Alright you guys, as you can see, we're out here with the bugs. Time to get the rattle can going. Gonna go with a rustic, antique, well-used gray look. So yeah, let's get these parts separated and let's get started. Alright you guys, the whole point is to go for a rustic look. So I'm not gonna try to be a professional here. It's rattle can. So let's start applying some paint. Of course, I'm doing the back of everything first. Alright, time to start coat 2. A nice thick coat on there. Alright, now we're on to the big stuff. And since I'm going to need to hit this at a lot of angles, I'll do the underside first that you can't see, and then I'll do it one by one. Then again, going with the theme of trying to look fair. I think I'm achieving a little bit more of that antique look. So on the side, I'll go ahead and knock out the underside of the crab. Definitely overspread it. Tucked off to the side, let's knock out the belly of the beef. Sorry about the bugs and frogs. Crazy loud out here where I live. Of course, I'm going to try and knock out feet coat. Some of the door areas might need to be handled. Okay, sunset. Killing it right now. I want to show you guys that. We don't really have any neighbors, so looks like a 360 panorama view. Just wanted to show you the sunset. Alright, so I'll throw one more coat on there and I'll get the small stuff up that's going to be black. Or flat black. Alright, we're pretty low, so I'm going to do a quick Speedy Gonzalez coat. Anything I might have missed. I'll start off with this because it got the less paint to begin with. Get all the cracks and crevices. Alright you guys, these bugs are ridiculously loud now because it is getting dark. The sun is now gone. So let's try and knock this last little coat out. Some of these colors might vary. I might go through and maybe some silver. Metal color. Maybe gray to match the body.
pretty much what she's going to look like. Pretty excited. I'm going to have to put some wear and tear on her, or I might let the natural running of the RC car give it wear and tear. So let me know what you think. I might do some rust and little rut spots, but just try to make it look old and used. Maybe like some type of snow vehicle. Gotta find the piece to hold my door on. You know, when you drop something, it seems like Mother Earth just eats it up. So thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you very much to all the new subscribers. Welcome. Hope you like what you've seen today. And I'll try to make the next couple of videos really fast and see if I could split it up. But these kits are some pretty big kits, you guys. I mean, there's a lot of different pieces and putting these pieces together, so usually I can get it done in 3 videos. So I'll do the body paint, drivetrain, and then assemble and electronics. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you're interested in anything you've seen in my channel, check out the links below. If you want to help support the channel, check out the links below as well. And thank you very much.